Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom? Get ready because in this video, we're diving deep into online passive income opportunities. From affiliate marketing to e-commerce, we've got it all covered. Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's get started. Number 1. Upworks.com. Upwork is a popular freelance website where businesses and individuals post services they want to outsource. It offers various jobs and services, including article writing, video editing, app development, coding, and more. The great thing about Upwork is that it has a low barrier of entry. If you're skilled in any area, whether it's graphic design or coding, you can start making money on the platform. Having a strong and appealing profile is crucial when using Upwork. It significantly increases your chances of receiving job offers from potential clients. A robust profile showcases your best work and highlights your specific experience, setting you apart from other freelancers as it will help potential clients see the value you bring to their projects and increase your chances of landing jobs. Number 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you can sell products online without worrying about storing or shipping them yourself. It works like this. You create an online store, like on Shopify, and connect it with a tool called Oberlo. Oberlo helps you find products from manufacturers or suppliers that you can sell in your store. Here's how it works. When someone buys a product from your store, you purchase it from the manufacturer at a lower price and provide their shipping details. The manufacturer then ships the product directly to the customer on your behalf. You don't need to handle the inventory or shipping process, making it convenient. The exciting part is that you get to set the price for the product, which allows you to determine your profit margin. After the customer pays, you keep the profit and use the remaining amount to pay the manufacturer for the product and shipping costs. Starting a dropshipping business can be challenging at first, but many helpful tutorials on platforms like YouTube guide you through the process. These tutorials cover everything from creating your online store to finding products, promoting your store, collaborating with influencers, and ensuring smooth shipping and payments. Number 3. YouTube. YouTube offers a unique opportunity to make money by creating and sharing videos. You must meet the new minimum requirements of either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 500 subscribers. The earning potential is vast once you reach this threshold and become monetized. The amount you can make on YouTube is not limited and depends on various factors. The key is consistently uploading engaging content that attracts viewers. Longer videos tend to generate more revenue. YouTube provides a platform for passive income. By creating a few videos, you can continue earning money consistently as long as people keep watching your content. Additionally, as your views and subscribers increase, so does your earning potential. It's important to note that paid sponsorships, which can be another income source, typically require a larger audience, usually around 10,000 subscribers. Number 4. Fiverr. It's a freelance website allowing you to legally outsource almost anything for as little as $5. The opportunities to earn money on Fiverr are vast and diverse. You can offer services like animations, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandising, SEO, and more. The best part is that you don't need specialized skills or qualifications to get started. If a task can be outsourced, you'll likely find it on Fiverr. Whether you're a creative individual or have expertise in a specific field, Fiverr provides a platform to showcase your talents and connect with potential clients. Number 5. Amazon. Amazon is not just a website where you can buy products. It's also a platform where you can make money. There are 3 main ways to do this. First, there's Amazon Mechanical Turk, which allows you to earn money by completing various tasks that require human intelligence. You can transcribe audio, test web pages, and write reviews. It's a legitimate way to make money and the pay can be decent. The second way is through Amazon Kindle Publishing. You can turn your ideas into an ebook and sell it on Amazon. Whenever someone buys your ebook, you earn money. You don't need to be an established author or work with a publishing company. You can do it all from home and start earning passive income. Lastly, there's the Amazon Associates program. By signing up for free, you can promote products from Amazon on your website or social media. When someone purchases through your special link, you receive a commission. It's an easy way to earn passive income, and Amazon handles the payment process. Number 6. TakeLessons.com. Take Lessons is an incredible website that enables you to share your expertise and teach valuable skills to others while also making money. Regardless of who you are, you possess a unique talent that you can impart to others through this platform. It could be teaching a foreign language, guiding someone in the kitchen, instructing them on a musical instrument, or even unraveling the mysteries of complex math equations. The possibilities are endless. What sets Take Lessons apart is its user-friendly interface, making it effortless for anyone to become an online instructor. It is the ultimate opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and make a positive impact by sharing your skills. You can reach a wide audience from the comfort of your home, sharing your knowledge with eager learners across the globe. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your students thrive and grow, all while earning an income doing what you love. Number 7. ClickBank. ClickBank is an amazing online marketplace where people can make money by selling digital products or promoting products as affiliates. It's a platform that connects product creators and affiliates to a global audience. Unlike Amazon, ClickBank exclusively focuses on digital products, which brings several advantages. One of the most exciting things about ClickBank is the high commission payouts. You can earn as much as 75% of the product's price when you sell someone's services. However, it's essential to note that commission rates can vary, ranging from 5% to 75%, so it's wise to consider the commission rate before choosing a product to promote. The potential to earn good money on ClickBank is immense. You can generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars in income by exploring the vast range of products available. All you need to do is visit ClickBank, select a product that aligns with your interests or target audience, and start promoting it to earn commissions. Number 8. Rover. Are you a dog lover? If so, I have an exciting recommendation for you. Have you heard of Rover? It's a fantastic online service that connects dog owners with trusted dog sitters. Although available only in the US and Canada, Rover offers a remarkable opportunity for pet enthusiasts like you to earn extra income by dog sitting. Here's how it works. If you live in either of these countries, you can register as a dog sitter on Rover's platform. Once approved, you can start accepting requests from dog owners in your area who need someone reliable to care for their furry friends. And the best part? You can make a significant amount of money, ranging from $80 to $100 per night just by watching someone's dog. Number 9. Flippa.com. Flippa is the leading online marketplace for buying and selling various digital assets, making it a go-to platform for entrepreneurs. With a large audience and powerful visibility tools, Flippa operates like an auction site similar to eBay, but specifically for online businesses, including websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. Whether you excel at creating apps or websites, Flippa allows you to sell your digital creations and earn money. Conversely, suppose you have available funds and are interested in purchasing established websites, apps, or e-commerce stores already generating income. In that case, Flippa is the place to be. Number 10. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is an incredible platform that allows people to buy and sell digital media like photos, music, and video clips. It's a fantastic opportunity for freelancers and creative individuals to showcase their talents and earn money. Shutterstock lets you monetize your skills, whether you have a knack for photography, capturing breathtaking moments, or creating amazing music beats. Here's how it works. Every time someone purchases one of your pictures or media files on Shutterstock, you receive a commission. These commissions typically range from a few cents to a few dollars, providing a steady income stream if you're fortunate. However, the key to maximizing your earnings on Shutterstock lies in consistently uploading high-quality content. By consistently sharing your best work on Shutterstock, you can attract a wide range of customers looking for unique and engaging digital media. It's an excellent opportunity to reach a global audience and use your creations in various projects, such as websites, advertisements, or films. As we conclude this eye-opening journey through legitimate online passive income opportunities, one question lingers. Which incredible methods will you choose to embark upon? Will it be the affiliate marketing world or the allure of creating digital products? Please share your thoughts, comments below, and let's continue this conversation. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more game-changing insights. Your future of financial freedom awaits.